Hi, and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you find it useful. We have another hand-selected Land Rover to be showing you around and demonstrating to you today in this 2019 68 plate Land Rover Discovery HSE Luxury. So we're right at the very top of the trim level with the Discovery. But not only that, we have an additional £3,005 worth of factory fitted optional extras, all backed up with full Land Rover service history. It has been nowhere but Land Rover. So going right back to its PDI, its pre-delivery inspection on the 7th of January 2019, serviced in the December of 2019 at 6,163 miles, December 2020 at 18,282, and last serviced in January 2022 at 22,934 miles. This car looks absolutely superb, and I must say, with the Indus Silver Metallic Paintwork, but the contrasting aspects of the black pack really does stand out from the crowd. And those black pack aspects do include the black Discovery badging and front grille. You may also notice that the door mirrors are high gloss black, as well as the side vents, and of course the high gloss black 21-inch alloy wheels. Really does look superb, and the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards just finishing it off even better. Now, we've explained we have just over £3,000 of factory fitted options. That does include £1,005 of a factory fit electrically deployable tow bar, the Indus Silver Metallic Paintwork we've mentioned, another £850, privacy glass at £400, and a surround camera system at £635. Now, those are just the additional extras. As we are looking at the HSE Luxury, we have a host of standard specification. So I'm just going to take us into the cockpit and demonstrate them to you. And we can start with the keyless entry function. It's also keyless go with the stop start button. Just scan over here to the door card. We have the 3-stage electric memory driver's seat. So if there is more than one driver, you can store your driving position exactly. That will not only store the seat, but the steering column and mirrors. Like our sound, we have the upgraded Meridian surround sound system. So we'll jump in, and we can also just confirm the car has only covered 26,580 miles. Now, as I start the car up, we have the most recent Jaguar Land Rover infotainment system. That camera to assist you parking, and just scanning back over to the steering wheel here, heated with cruise control, which is also adaptive. Standard functions also include the heated seats, and now that the sunblind has gone back, a double glass panoramic sunroof, of which that front roof will slide all the way backwards. It also continues in the second row, because as this is the HSE Luxury, we have the rear entertainment system, complete with headphones and remote control. It really is a car not to be missed. Fantastic specification, superb condition, low mileage, and never been maintained anywhere other than Land Rover. So thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch the video. For any further questions, please contact our award-winning sales team. Thank you.